What's up everybody, welcome back to another episode of Food Arrow. Today we're making homemade vinaigrette. Let's get started. In a large bowl, combine balsamic vinegar, maple syrup, Dijon mustard, pepper, and stir. While stirring, slowly incorporate the canola oil. Then mix all the ingredients together. After stirring, the vinaigrette is now complete. We're going to store the vinaigrette in a squeeze bottle. To make things easier, we're pouring the vinaigrette into a glass measuring cup to then transfer into the squeeze bottle. Now shake it up and spice up your next salad with this tangy, delicious homemade vinaigrette. Check us out on Instagram and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more tasty videos like this. Until then, happy eating.